Guys, in this video we will see how to fix webcam automatic turning off and on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of issue, webcam automatically turning off and on, then here are the fixes. And the first one is right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side go to Windows Update and click on check for updates from the right side, and if any update available, simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of various type of devices not functioning. Thereafter go to advanced options, choose optional updates, and if any driver update available, also download and install it. And thereafter check whether your webcam is still turning on and off automatically or not. If not fixed, then go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose device manager. In device manager windows, go to your camera driver. There may be a possibility of your existing camera conflict with your webcam. So right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Thereafter close the windows, and on the same page go to USB, and in which USB your webcam is plugged in, simply right click on it and choose update driver. Choose properties, and here from the top menu bar go to power management options and allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Uncheck this feature. So go to that particular USB in which your webcam is plugged in and apply this process, and check whether your webcam related issue resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, click on apps. From the right side go to installed apps. Here look for the camera app, type camera in search field or scroll down and search for camera app. Click on 3 horizontal dot against camera app and choose advanced options. Here scroll down and background app permission, let this app run in background, choose always or power optimized, choose, and thereafter scroll down and go to reset. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. First choose repair, and if this app still is not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. If repair does not work, then choose reset camera app. After that, check whether your webcam automatic turning on or off is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to open run dialog box, and here type the command msdt.exe-id device diagnostic. This command will open hardware and devices troubleshoot. Click on OK, and here troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. Click on advanced and make the check against option apply repairs automatically, and click on next and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. It will take some time. Follow on screen instruction. It will not only detect the issue, resolve accordingly. Thereafter close the windows and check whether your automatic turning on or off webcam issue resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side go to privacy and security, click on it. Thereafter go to right side and here under app permissions click on camera, and here let apps access your camera. Disable this feature once. Once your problem is resolved, turn on again. Don't forget to restart your system after disabling feature. That's all.